Russell and Jonathan.
He strapped his hound to a car. That's what he did.
He did what? Strapped his
dog.
A beautiful phrase.
Hound,
Yeah.
yes, it's nice, isn't it?
He attached...
No,
he attached his dog to the roof of his car for a 10-hour car journey. And
so I was slightly mesmerised when you did that. We got the full gun show.
It was amazing.
And he said his excuse...
It's all in bags now,
His excuse was...
You can't wear that T-shirt, give us a slight glimpse at what the gun show looks like, and never let us get a full
Let's
glimpse.
just get it out of the way.
Do it.
Just show everyone what
Do
they
it.
want to see, and then we
Right,
can move
do
on.
it.
Come on, let's see the right arm first.
Who wants it?
Because what's going to happen... No. Because I'll tell you what's happening now, right? So this is happening now on telly, but I'm imagining myself at home with my family, with my dad sat there going, fucking don't. And my mum, go on, do it for the girls. And my granddad just go and kill me. So I'm not going to do it.
You'll notice, we didn't participate in what was... That was bullying.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's call it out. I'm not going to look at them. It was bullying. OK?
I don't see how it's bullying to say, can we have a look at your impressive biceps, please?
You know what you did.
I am very anti-bullying. I bought one of those anti-bullying charity wristbands.
In school. I let someone down in school over a similar incident when I was 8, and I'm fucked if I'm letting this happen.
Hey, Rich. Because he didn't want to see him.
A consensual gun show.
A consensual gun show?
We've got a quiz to get through.